If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you.